Hello, great to have your company here on Kalkine TV. I'm Rachel and you're watching the Buzzing Trends. Today we'll be looking at the key reasons for ASX travel shares to rise in the last month. We'll also quickly glance at the travel stocks and their price performance. ASX-listed travel shares have surged significantly as COVID-19 restrictions were eased worldwide. Now, since the 7th of March, travel stock prices have witnessed an upward trend. For the first time in 2 years, Australia has opened its borders across all states and territories. The decision to open the borders fully has come as a big relief for travellers, migrating homeowners and working professionals worldwide who are looking to visit Australia. Now let's see how a few major ASX-listed stocks have performed in the last month. First on the list is the Flight Centre Travel Group, an Australian travel agency. Now their stock has risen almost 20% in the last month. The stock is also up by almost 10% on a year-to-date basis. The company says it's becoming increasingly confident that the rapid recovery it is seeing in both travel sectors since late January marks the start of a material and substantial rebound. Second on the list is Webjet, a global digital travel business operating in consumer and wholesale markets. The stock has risen almost 9% in the last month. The stock is also up by almost 3% on a year-to-date basis. Webjet is intent on capitalising on travel recovery. The company stated in its half-year results that the geographic diversification has become a core strength as different regions recover at different times, and a market opportunity has increased in all businesses. Moving on to the third on the list, and it's Qantas, the flag carrier of Australia and its largest airline by fleet size, international flights and international destinations. The stock has risen over 12.5% in the last month. The stock is down by almost 1% on a year-to-date basis. Qantas says that while travel demand is strengthening and there have been positive developments on international borders in recent weeks, Omicron is likely to negatively impact group EBIT by an estimated $650 million in the second half of 2022. Last on the list today is Hello World Travel, a provider of international and domestic travel products and services. The stock has risen almost 17% in the last month, and the stock is down almost 2% on a year-to-date basis. Hello World Travel is now seeing the response to the reopening of Australia's international borders, and is very powerful as state border shackles come down. The company expects significant growth in that area as well. And now, before we look at crucial reasons for these travel stocks to trend, let's take a small break here. I'll be back soon.
Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on the Tech Beat, exclusive to Kalkine TV.
Welcome back. Now that we've explored ASX-listed travel stocks, one boost to ASX travel shares was the reinstatement of international flights from India. On the 9th of March, India announced it would restart international flights, including that to Australia, on the 27th of March 2022. Now, India serves as a huge trade and investment market to Australia. Another huge reason is the movement in oil prices. ASX 200 travel shares are under pressure when the Russia-Ukraine conflict began. It resulted in crude oil prices rising to new heights. However, the stock recovered significantly on the 10th of March after the oil price fell by almost 17%. Oil prices directly impact fuel prices and are a major cost for airlines. Another reason for travel stocks to trend is New Zealand's travel announcement. The stocks gained further on the 16th of March after New Zealand, which is a popular destination for Australians and vice versa, announced it would open borders to Australian tourists earlier than expected. New Zealand announced that starting on the 13th of April, vaccinated arrivals from Australia would not require isolation. Meanwhile, Australian Health Minister Greg Hunt said on the 25th of March that Australia's biosecurity emergency would end soon. Travellers will not require a COVID-19 test on arrival to Australia from the 17th of April. Well, all these developments definitely make investors keep an eye on ASX travel stocks and keep them on their watch list. We'll be back with our Buzzing Trends show tomorrow to share with you the latest market insights. Till then, stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more stock, business and economy-related hot trends. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.